Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two jump starter brands will be going head-to-head. We have the NOCO Jump Starter and the HULKMAN Jump Starter. Unable to start your car, especially if you have a really important business to attend to, can be a nightmare for most people. However, this wouldn't be a problem if you have a jump starter readily available in your trunk. These handy devices won't only solve dead car battery problems, but also be a source of power just in case you need to charge your mobile device. Jump starters have come a long way, which is why there are a ton of options on the market. If you're looking to find the best one, then you've come to the right channel. In today's episode of Brand Wars, two brilliant jump starter brands will be battling it out. We have the NOCO Jump Starter going against the HULKMAN Jump Starter. Both these units have garnered a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. We know that these two are undoubtedly reliable brands, but there will only be one that'll reign supreme in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other jump starters that we reviewed, do check out our jump starter review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these jump starters will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and weight. The size and shape of a jump starter are two of the factors you need to consider when shopping for one. The more portable they are, the better, which is why it would be best to get one that comes in a compact profile. NOCO has dimensions of 7.7 by 3.2 by 1.7 inches and weighs 2.45 pounds. Meanwhile, HULKMAN measures 9.06 by 4.06 by 1.81 pounds and weighs 3.61 pounds. Let's focus mainly on how portable this jump starter is while setting aside the other aspects. NOCO proves to be the lighter and more compact of the two, which is why we'll be giving them the point in this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their charging specifications. Before buying a jump starter, you need to match it with the requirements of your car. Be sure that the jump starter you're getting is able to turn up the engine. To do this, it should be able to produce sufficient power as smoothly as possible. The NOCO is rated at 1000 amperes and is able to jumpstart gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. On the other hand, HULKMAN is rated at 2000 amperes and can start gasoline engines up to 8.5 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. HULKMAN proves to be the more versatile of the two due to its capability of jump-starting larger vehicles. That said, this round clearly goes to HULKMAN. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. When buying a jump starter, always be sure to take a good look at the unit's capacity. We recommend getting the jump starter with a higher battery capacity since you'll most likely be using it during emergency situations, and you wouldn't want to run out of power when you most need it. NOCO is able to jumpstart a car up to 20 times in a single charge. Its competitor HULKMAN can jumpstart a car up to 60 times in a single charge. The facts are quite clear, and HULKMAN proves to be a larger battery capacity. For that, HULKMAN takes home the gold in this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety features. We're talking about loads of electricity here, so it would be best to take a look at the safeguards included with your jump starters. NOCO is safe and easy to use, allowing you to jumpstart the battery without worrying about incorrect connections or sparks. It features a mistake-proof design featuring spark-proof technology as well as reverse polarity protection. This keeps you and all of the equipment safe even when you plug it in incorrectly. HULKMAN, on the other hand, features over 9 types of protection. This allows you to do your work free of any worries when it comes to misoperations and sparks. Both these jump starters have reliable protective features that prevent any type of mishap. With them delivering virtually identical safety features, it would only be reasonable to end this round in a tie. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their build quality. Construction quality is something to consider since you'll most likely be using this during emergencies. The unit might be subjected to drops and bumps, so be sure to get one that comes with a solid and durable build. Also, be sure that the battery is of good quality since you don't want it to run out of charge as you leave it in your car. NOCO features high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any climate. It also features a solid, water-resistant enclosure rated at IP65, which makes it resistant to water jets and dust. The unit is also protected by a rubberized, overmolded casing that prevents scratching off surfaces. Meanwhile, HULKMAN features a rugged built for any type of outdoor adventure. Much like the competition, it also features an IP65 water-resistant rating. While both are extremely well built, we'll be giving this point to NOCO due to its rubberized overmolded casing, which is its main advantage. Sixth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their display. It's important to take a look at the display, as this allows you to check the settings you'll be using as you do your jump start. One of the most significant features of the display is the presence of a battery indicator, which conveniently shows you how much juice the unit has left. NOCO's display shows its power LED, boost LED, error LED, and charge LED in 25% increments. The competitor HULKMAN has a display that shows its charging status, error indicator, ready to start indicator, discharging indicator, and battery level percentage. With HULKMAN providing a more detailed display overall, we'll be giving the point to them in this round. The seventh and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their added features. Nowadays, jump starters also offer a number of additional features. Many models function as a power bank as well as an emergency flashlight. Be sure to look into this before you purchase to get the best value for your money. NOCO's internal battery can be used to charge USB and mobile devices thanks to its USB port. It also features an integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. Just like the competition, HULKMAN also features a built-in flashlight and is equipped with a 12-volt 10-ampere port plus a USB-A and USB-C for charging a range of devices. These two units are almost identical, except HULKMAN had the upper hand thanks to its 12-volt 10-ampere port that allows more versatility when charging. This single advantage secured HULKMAN the win in yet another round. The battle is finally over, which means that it's finally time to visit the scorecard for a decision. The HULKMAN Jump Starter has scored a total of 5 points, winning almost every round. Its competitor, the NOCO Jump Starter, however, only scored a total of 3 points. NOCO had the advantage in terms of portability and durability with its super solid frame and compact profile, which makes it a brilliant choice for individuals with small to medium-sized cars. However, HULKMAN was a step ahead in almost every category. It proved to be the more versatile option with a larger capacity, a well-built display, and a wider range of additional features. In the end, HULKMAN takes home the gold as it proves to be the dominant brand in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the NOCO Jump Starter and the HULKMAN Jump Starter has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Jump Starter face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.